If you're a Shopify store owner and you're like, oh, I have this problem. I wish there was an app for that. And then you realize, yeah, there's an app for that. And then you're like, oh, but now I've got to read about this app and I got to install it and figure it out. I wish someone would just show me. That's exactly what we do. No price, no nothing. I'm not asking anything for you. I'm just telling you we exist. We have a whole YouTube channel right here where we review Shopify apps. We show you how it is. This is literally made for when I was a store owner and I was like, just feed me the information. I don't want to move. Just shove it into my brain. This is the easiest way I can shove information about apps into your brain with you just clicking and doing minimal effort. So go check it out. You have nothing to lose. ecomexperts.io. We review Shopify apps. Check us out. Give us a like. And by the way, maybe win like half a day of development work because we hold contests.